Hello and welcome to the section on conditional statements. Now that you have a strong understanding on the different data types in Python, we will now learn how to manipulate all this data. In this section, we will be learning what are conditional statements, the different types of conditional statements available in Python, how to use logical operators along with the conditional statements, and at the end of the section, we will be writing a complete program in Python that implements conditional statements. Until now, you have been using the Python's idle environment to practice the concepts, but now you will be using a text editor to write a complete Python program. So to start with, what are conditional statements? Now, conditional statements are statements whose execution depends on the evaluation of a certain condition. Let's take a look at an example. Take the alarm clock of your phone. You set an alarm at 5 a.m. So what happens? There is a constant check that is being made to check if the time in your phone is 5 a.m. So once the time in your phone is 5 a.m., the alarm rings. Now, when we use logical operators along with conditional statements, now if you can remember, logical statements are and, or, and not. So to take the example of the same alarm clock, if you set an alarm for Sunday 7 a.m., what happens? A constant check is being made to check if the day is Sunday. So once the day is Sunday, another check is constantly being made to see if the time is 7 a.m. So if the day is Sunday and the time is 7 a.m., then the alarm rings. Now that you have understood what are conditional statements, let's go ahead and implement conditional statements in Python in the next lecture. I'll see you there. Thank you.